Hello guys, I'm gonna teach you my first topic of anatomy, that is brachial plexus. So guys, when you read the word plexus, what comes to your mind? The foremost thing that should come to your mind is a tree. You should think about a tree. So what the tree consists of? Tree consists of roots, trunks, divisions, divisions of trunk, cords, and its branches. That is only the plexus. It consists of roots, trunks, divisions, cords, and branches. Now, what's the roots consist of? Roots of brachial plexus is made up of anterior primary rami of spinal nerves, made up of or constitute of anterior primary rami of spinal nerves C5 to C8 and T1. These are basically the spinal nerves C5, C6, C7, C8 and T1. How many cervical spinal nerves are present? 8. So in brachial plexus, roots are starting from, or it is constitute of C5 to C8 and T1. So guys, as we know, anatomy is nothing without diagrams, so let's make the diagram of brachial plexus. So you have to learn the mnemonic R, T, D, C, P. R stands for root, T stands for trunk, D stands for division, C stands for cord, and B stands for branches. So let's start making roots. As I told earlier, roots consist of anterior primary rami of C5 to C8 and T1 nerves. So let's make C5, C6, C7, C8 and T1. Our next thing, which is trunk, how it is made. C5 and C6 joins to make one trunk. C7 itself make one trunk. C8 and T1 joins to make one trunk. So trunks are of three types: upper, middle and lower trunk. And further, trunk is divided into divisions. Each trunk is divided into two divisions, which is dorsal division and ventral division. So this is our upper trunk. Let's divide it. So dorsal division will go towards the middle trunk. Ventral division will itself be a continuation of the trunk. And then middle trunk, its dorsal division will go towards the upper trunk, and its ventral division is the further continuation of the middle trunk. And in lower trunk, its ventral division is a continuation of lower trunk, and its dorsal division will join the middle trunk. So now we have decided how to divide trunks in dorsal division and ventral division. So after divisions, we have cords. So there are three cords: lateral cord, posterior cord and medial cord. This is our lateral cord, this is our posterior cord, and this is our medial cord. And cords are further divided into branches. Now, how to learn branches? To learn branches, we have a mnemonic: from lateral cord you have to remember LML. From posterior cord, you have to remember word ulnar. And from medial cord, you have to remember word 4MU. Now what's L stands for? L stands for lateral pectoral nerve. This is lateral pectoral nerve. What's M stands for? M stands for musculocutaneous nerve. This is one branch. This is musculocutaneous nerve. And another branch which is lateral root of median nerve. Lateral root of median nerve. Now from posterior cord you have 5 branches, which is U, L, N, A, R. And from U it is upper subscapular nerve. This is upper subscapular nerve. From L it is lower subscapular nerve. And from N it is nerve to latissimus dorsi. Latissimus dorsi is the muscle of back. So remember guys, you have to make nerve to latissimus dorsi in between upper subscapular and lower subscapular. This is nerve to latissimus dorsi. Now from A it is axillary nerve. Axillary nerve you have to make upwards. So I know it's a bit messy. I will show you the clean diagram. This is axillary nerve. And R stands for radial nerve. This is our radial nerve. Now from medial cord, branches arise are 4MU. First M stands for medial pectoral nerve. Medial pectoral nerve. And second M stands for medial cutaneous nerve of arm. Medial cutaneous nerve of arm. And another M stands for medial cutaneous nerve of forearm. Medial cutaneous nerve of forearm. Okay, and another M stands for, so guys, in first we have studied in lateral cord, one branch is lateral root of median nerve, and from medial cord arises the medial root of median nerve, which will join the lateral root of median nerve. See, you have to join it. So what is this? Median root of median nerve. And last branch is ulnar nerve. Guys, if anybody want to click the screenshot, I have changed the angle. You can have it. I have written all the mnemonics of the branches. You can take a screenshot of it. So guys, here two branches arises from the trunk also, which are suprascapular nerve and nerve to subclavius. This is suprascapular nerve and this is nerve to subclavius. Guys, I am using the pen, but you have to use the yellow sketch pen. So I have made a neat and clean diagram of this. You can see. So guys, this should be presentation to make brachial plexus. All the markings should come to right hand side and you have to write properly, and you have to make the brachial plexus nerves especially with the yellow color sketch pen, or you can use color whatsoever, but it should be neat and clean. Now what's the blood supply of brachial plexus? It is vertebral artery, thyrocervical trunk with its branches, suprascapular and transverse cervical artery. So guys, this was all about the diagram of brachial plexus. Remember, your diagram should be neat and clean, and in my next video I will discuss the clinical anatomy of brachial plexus. Hope you like my video.